The easiest way for you to stand out as an online coach is to actually niche down and know who you are creating content for. And I know it can be difficult in the beginning to understand or even know who you create for. The first thing you need to do is actually know what type of market are you in. If you're a fitness coach, then you're in the health market. If you're a business coach, you're in the wealth. If you're a relationship, then you're here. So for this example, we are going to use health coaches. The biggest issue is that you swim around in here and saying the same thing as everybody else, that you help them lose weight and so on. The problem with this is there are already established coaches in here and they are saying the same thing and it works for them. So you cannot enter this market and say the same thing because you will be competing against them. And the first thing you need to do is to actually niche down. Find a sub market. Let's say it's diet. Okay, so once you've done that, now that's really good, but you need to niche down even more. So then you go down to maybe it's keto or low carb, high fat or something else. Let's say it's keto. Why you want to do this is because now you are not in the same big market as everybody else and you're talking to a specific person about a specific thing. Now the biggest key is to actually know who the person you are helping is inside this sub-market. Now that you have your market, which is health, nutrition, sub-market, keto, who is this person inside of this market? This is very, very important because now you won't be just talking to the niche, you will be talking to a specific person inside this market. And this is how you stand out. When you know who this person is to the core, their limiting beliefs, their struggles, their fears. Why? Because you want to be also talking towards those things, because that is how people will relate to you and they will see you not only for being a coach but also a person, and this is how you stand out. So now you talk to a niche inside your market and you talk to a specific person. In the description down below, you will find some questions or a avatar sheet where you can actually craft your person and understand this person even better. And there is a video there where I explain it even further. So now that you have this, you will be able to stand out, because the person running around here, which I did before, that's why I'm telling you this, so you don't have to do this. And if you want to shortcut your time and you're tired of just trying and nothing works, we actually help coaches craft their offer, get their avatar, help them create content with better messaging so they actually sit on meetings with great quality leads. If that's you, then make sure to book a call. You can find the link also in the description. The person in here charging the same prices as everybody else, $200, will be only able to do that because it's being compared by price. But the person who is in here talking to that specific person, that is a coach that can even charge more because he's being very specific, solving a problem. That is also how you shortcut your time. I was doing this for years and nothing happened. I really struggled, and I know there's a lot of coaches out there doing the same. And just by changing this little thing, that just going away, you're still in the market, but you're just being more specific. You want to make your prospect feel like you're the only one who understands them and the only coach that can actually help them. And this is how you do it. So if you made it so far in this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will be seeing you in the next video.